Hello everyone and welcome back to another video editing tutorial. I hope you're all doing well. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to use motion tracking in Filmora to create smooth and professional effects. This tool allows you to track objects in your video and attach elements like stickers, text, or images to them. Let's get started. First, I've added a video clip to the timeline from stock media. Now open the AI Tools panel and enable motion tracking. A tracker box will appear on the screen. Reduce its size and place it right in the middle of the object you want to track. Next, click Start Motion Track and let Filmora automatically follow the object in your video. Once the tracking is done, add an element. For this example, I'll use a sticker. Drag the sticker to the timeline and adjust its duration to match the video. You can also resize and reposition the sticker to fit perfectly. Now, go to the motion tracking settings. Under link element, select the sticker you just added. And that's it. The sticker is now linked to the tracked object, and it will move along with it throughout the video. You can do the same with text, images, or even other effects. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing video editing tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating and keep editing.